how to change default audience in Facebook. So let's get started. First of all, launch the Facebook application and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you're logged in and you land on your home page, now navigate to the top right corner, then tap on three-line icon. That will take you to your menu page. Scroll down a bit and then tap on Settings and Privacy. Now on the Settings and Privacy, again tap on Settings. Now you will land on your Settings and Privacy page. Scroll down a bit and under Tools and Resources, there you will find an option as Default Audience Settings. Tap on that. Now from here you can change your default audience. There you'll have three options as Public, Friends and Custom. If you tap on Public, anyone can see what you share and interact with your public content. Or if you go with Friends, only your friends can see what you share. Now if you choose the Custom, you can manually choose who can see what you share and interact with the public content. Here I will go with Friends and after that tap on Next. Now you have to review all of this information given to you. Once you're done, and then tap on Confirm. Then tap on Done. And with that you have changed the default audience in Facebook. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.